Beyond the event horizon, the laws of physics start to break. Time warps, space collapses, and something very weird begins to happen. In this video, with insights from Professor Brian Cox, we're diving into one of the most mind-bending mysteries in the universe. What actually happens inside a black hole? And spoiler alert, reality as we know it might not survive.
A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong nothing can escape, not even light. At its heart, a singularity, an object of infinite density.
General relativity predicts that all the mass of a black hole collapses into a single point where our understanding of the universe breaks down.
Sounds like sci-fi, but this is real physics, and it gets stranger.
The event horizon is the point of no return. Cross it and you're gone, at least from the perspective of the outside world.
To an observer far away, time seems to freeze at the edge of the event horizon. But for the person falling in, everything continues.
This is where physics gets weird.
Inside the event horizon, space and time swap roles. You can't stop falling. Not because you're being pulled, but because time itself now points toward the center.
This means falling inward isn't a choice. It's your future. Just like tomorrow is unavoidable, so is the singularity.
It's not just falling into a hole, it's being pulled toward a moment in time that ends everything.
Here's the problem. If you throw information into a black hole, a book, a person, a planet, it disappears. But physics says information can't be lost.
This is the famous information paradox, and it has divided physicists for decades.
Hawking radiation may allow black holes to slowly evaporate, but where does the information go? That's the paradox.
To solve this paradox, some theories suggest firewalls at the event horizon. Others propose holographic universes, or even wormholes connecting black holes to other regions of space.
We're now at the edge of what physics can explain, and according to Brian Cox, the answers might lie in a theory we haven't even discovered yet.
We may need a new framework, a theory of quantum gravity, to truly understand what happens inside a black hole.
Inside a black hole, time ends, space collapses, and the universe hides its secrets from us, at least for now.
So what do you think? Are black holes cosmic erasers or portals to something else? Let's talk theories in the comments. And if this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and get ready. The universe is just getting started.
End screen. Subscribe plus watch next. What happens if you fall into a black hole? Brian Cox explains time, entropy, and the universe.